Hello friends. Now we are going to discuss about some constitutional duties. The fundamental duties in constitution has been given for preservation and conservation of our heritage. Right? So first point I explain that every heritage, every type or the kind of the heritage has its own importance. If you think about the Himalaya for India, it is most important one in all the way we have already discussed about. If we are talking about the Taj Mahal of India, it is our miracle and having the topmost place in all miracles in the world even today after these 600 years. So now remember, India attained leading position in the world by keeping its rich and varied cultural heritage alive. जो आज है ना जिंदा, इसी की वजह से हम आज दुनिया में जाने माने हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सो एज एन Indian, what is our duty? To preserve the heritage is our pious and moral duty too. Because if any country has no heritage, no identity, no history, no existence of the past, means nothing. So, India has to preserve their monuments, their historical monuments, ancient memorials, and that we have done by giving importance in our fundamental duties about preservation of these heritage. Now come to the next point. Where is it given? In Constitution, Article 51A. This is also possible to be asked for short question, objective type. Article 51A is explaining about fundamental duties. There are 11 duties given in it, and out of these 11, all the duties have been explained in A, B, C, D, right? This kind of the alphabetical order, but in numerical way we could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to the 11. So out of this, total 3 duties are associated with preservation of heritage. Subsection 6, subsection 7 and subsection 9. These 3 duties have been given. As you start to count by A, B, C, D, E, F, फिर G and I. Because 6, 7 and 9, F, G, H2 ignore. Right? G, H, I is there. F, G and I, or 6, 7 and 9. 3 duties have been given in our constitution in Article 51A. Now I explain which these duties. The first is understand importance of our harmonious culture, prosperity. Understand importance of our harmonious culture and its prosperity and preserve it. When you understand the importance, you will preserve. If you will not understand, you will not preserve. Right? Second one means 6 after 7. Now the 7th point is maintain forest, tanks, rivers, ponds, These all are the parts related to water preservation. Thereafter, wild animals and birds. Maintain forest, tanks, rivers, ponds, wild animals and birds. And with that, maintain natural environment too. Show the compassion. Compassion means mercy. Compassion to all living creature means never kill them. These are the living creature, birds and animals. So don't kill them. And last point of the answer is protect public property. Right? Which property is not owned by the single person but associated with the whole nation. It is called public property. The bus stand, the railway station, right? The street lights, footpaths, gardens, river banks, all the things are the public property. So preserve public property. And giving up means leave. Violence. These are the main part of our preservation of heritage given in the fundamental duty. Right? Your answer is over.